Hello, and thank you for using MyFacilities Security Management System for access control. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use the Reports feature. Under Reports, you will have a filtering mechanism and your list of reports. You can filter through your list of reports by entering a complete or partial value and then either clicking the Filter button or hitting Enter on your keyboard to get your search results. You can then click on the Clear button to clear the text on the search bar. Let's explore the available reports you will have by default. Let's begin with the All Access Attempts by a Selected Cardholder report. By clicking on the report, you will bring out a window that will enable you to search for your desired cardholder and the range of dates for the transactions you want. You can search by Panther ID, name, or cardholder ID. You can type in the complete value or partial value. After you're done, you can click Search or hit Enter on your keyboard. You will then receive a drop-down list with your search results back. Select your desired cardholder and click Add. You can also select multiple cardholders if you like. You can view your selected cardholders by clicking on Edit Selection. If you see a cardholder you do not wish to add, simply click on the trash bin icon to remove them from your selected group. Now, pick your date range. Please keep in mind the system will allow you to only go back 1 year. And once you are done selecting your date range, click on Generate Report. You will then get back a PDF formatted document in which you can download by clicking the Download icon or directly print it out by clicking on the printer icon. Now, you have successfully generated a report. For the All Access Attempts by Selected Device report, it's exactly the same as the first report with the difference that you won't be searching for a cardholder. You will search for a device instead. You can search for it by reader ID or reader name. If you are unsure, you can always leave it blank and click on Search and it will bring back a list of all the devices available to you. You can then select your device or multiple devices, select your date range, and click on Generate Report. You will then get back a PDF formatted document in which you can also download to your device or directly print it out by clicking on the printer icon. The last report, Cardholders Accessed by Area, will only ask you for the area. You can search by area ID or area name. You can enter a complete value or a partial value. Once you're done typing it out, you can hit Enter on your keyboard or click Search to get back your search results. You will then get a drop-down list with your search results. You can filter through your search results to find the area you are looking for as well. It saves you trouble of having to scroll through your whole list. Once you have found your area, simply click on the area, or you're also allowed to select multiple areas if you like. You can then view your selected areas in Edit Selection and remove any unwanted areas from your list. Once you are done with that, click on Generate Report and a report with all the cardholders that have access to that area will be generated. You will then get back a PDF formatted document in which you can download to your device or directly print it out by clicking on the printer icon. That is all there is to know about the Reports feature. But before I finish this tutorial, I wanted to show you another way you can bring up reports outside the Reports module. When using the Access Manager's Cardholder feature, you can also generate a report with up to 1,000 transactions the cardholder has completed. Begin by searching up your cardholder, and after you add him to your list of cardholders, you will see this list icon next to the cardholder portrait icon. When you click on that list icon, a prompt will show up with a text box that allows you to enter the number of transactions you want to receive for that cardholder. Keep in mind, you can only generate the cardholder's last 1,000 transactions. You can view them there or export them and a CSV file will be generated. You can also do the same with the Access Manager's Area feature. Simply search for the area you want to generate the report for, and once you find it, click on the list icon next to the checkbox, and a pop-up asking you to input the number of transactions will show up. Enter the number of transactions you want to generate, and a report will be generated, which you can then click on Export to create and download a CSV file. This was everything reports related. This will have concluded our tutorial on using the reports feature.